Whether you are searching for a side hustle or aiming for a full-time opportunity, I've got some excellent websites to help you earn money online. Let's dive in. Earn by transcribing with Rev.com. If you enjoy watching YouTube videos or listening to podcasts, why not turn that pastime into an income stream? Rev.com is a platform that pays users to transcribe audio content into text. Essentially, you will convert spoken words into written form. While this may sound challenging at first, it is more straightforward than you might think, and Rev compensates fairly for your efforts. Rev.com offers an average rate of about $1 per audio minute. Let's break that down into practical numbers. Transcribing a 10-minute video will earn you $10. If you manage to complete 3 videos, that's $30 in your pocket. Dedicate a few hours daily to transcription work, and you could easily earn $100 or more per day. Over the course of a month, this adds up to a significant side income, all without leaving the comfort of your home. One of the standout features of Rev.com is its flexibility. You control your schedule, which means you can work as much or as little as your time allows. If you are swamped during a busy week, no worries. You can simply scale back your workload. On the other hand, if you have some extra free time, you can pick up additional transcriptions and watch your earnings grow. Another perk, Rev pays weekly, so you'll never have to wait too long to see the fresh cash hitting your account. It also pays through PayPal, which is available to almost all countries. But transcription isn't the only option Rev offers. They also provide opportunities for captioning videos and translating documents. If you are bilingual, you can earn even more by translating audio or text. This expands your earning potential significantly while allowing you to explore interesting and diverse projects. Let's be honest, getting paid to watch videos and listen to intriguing podcasts doesn't feel like work at all. It's a fantastic way to make money while engaging with entertaining or educational content. For those who enjoy writing or brainstorming creative ideas, Listverse.com is an exciting platform where you can earn money by creating listicles. These are catchy numbered articles that we all love to read. Think of titles like 10 Craziest Urban Legends or Top 10 Best Pizza Toppings. The best part, you don't need professional writing experience to get started. If you can craft unique and engaging lists, you can earn $100 per listicle. Imagine creating a few of these every month. That is a fantastic way to pad your wallet with some extra cash. Creating listicles is not just about the money. It is also an excellent outlet for your creativity. But if you want to maximize your chances of success on Listverse, here are some tips. Number 1, choose popular topics. Focus on subjects with broad appeal. Number 2, think outside the box. Don't be afraid to explore unconventional ideas. Number 3, engage with your reader. A successful listicle is not just informative but also entertaining. And lastly, polish your work. Even though you don't need to be a professional writer, ensure your lists are well organized, grammatically correct, and visually appealing. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of getting published and earning $100 per list. Both Rev.com and Listverse offer significant benefits that make them ideal for anyone looking to earn money online. Both platforms are flexible, they don't have any specialized skills required, they are remote, and they have quick payments through PayPal. Whether you are passionate about words or have a knack for creativity or just looking for an easy way to make extra cash, these two platforms offer practical solutions. By dedicating little time and effort, you can transform your skills into a steady income. Before you go, don't forget to check out my previous videos. Also subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends.